What's up YouTube, it's Playbook Guy here. So today I'm going to do another review. So today, it's going to be on something I've had before but not in a while, and I'm sort of surprised I've never reviewed it. Because I even looked on my channel, and I just looked and I haven't reviewed it. So I'm going to do it. It's going to be on Little Debbie oatmeal cream pie. So yes, I got this yesterday. This is a double-decker oatmeal cream pie from Little Debbie. I got this for 75 cents, as you can see, at my local gas station. They have a lot of different, like, things of Little Debbie, things, Hostess things, and the Little Debbie things, are like 75 cents, between like 50 cents and $1. So, yeah. So you got a lot of ingredients. You can see right there. So yeah, so I love these. I haven't had these in a long time though. But yeah. So yeah, it's basically a sandwich cookie. Open it up. And it's a really good size. Like I said, it's double decker and it's actually pretty big. It smells really good. It smells awesome, just like an oatmeal cookie. Here we go. Tastes just as good as I remember it. Yeah, it's good. I'm honestly not sure what my favorite Little Debbie item is. I really like the Swiss rolls. Actually, I think my favorite one might be the zebra cakes. Those ones are mad good. This one is just good. Overall, just gets a 9 out of 10. It's definitely good. So if you have not had these, I would highly recommend these to you, for you guys to pick them up. Especially in a size like this, and just a small package like this, only 75 cents. That's great. So, anyways, wraps up the review, 9 out of 10 rating. So as always, stay tuned for more videos, and remember to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.